Well, good morning, everyone. As you can see, we have got a parcel here, just covering the address up, that says open with caution, and it's clear this is from York Maze Hallwscream. So let's have a look. I have pre-cut here just so I can get in. Probably still not cut well enough for me to actually get in. Yeah, this is always the problem when we try to open boxes live on air. Aha, we're in there. It's open with caution, so who knows what's going to be inside here. Right, let's have a look. And final thing. Well, whoever did it up very well, as usual. People don't make unboxing videos easy. Right, so let's have a look. See what's inside. Cut down here. Okay, we'll open that side. I'll open that side. So let's have a look. What do we have? So we have a finger, and that is a really horribly realistic finger. See what it says. Name of deceased, Michael Bolton. Oh, it's my finger. Cause of death, shitting yourself at Hallowscream. Date of death, Friday the 10th of October. Time of death, 6 PM until 11:30. Tag us in your unboxing videos, York Maze Hallwscream. So obviously this is an invite to the press night. This invite grants you unlimited fast track to our scare houses. So obviously York Maze is always great fun. Now we don't know whether they've got anything new for this year. The last couple of years they've had oh god, was it Necropolis? And then last year they had Redneck's Revenge. So wow, look, a goodie bag of merch. So we've got a Hallowscream beanie, Hallowscream patch badge, 2 Hallowscream patch badges, a Hallowscream pen, which is good. Will go with my collection of other pens I've got from other attractions. That feels like a fridge magnet. A sort of enamel pin badge of Corny, and this looks like a snood sort of face mask sort of thing that bikers wear. So there we go. So nothing about the lineup for this year. Just basically inviting us to a press night with my dead finger. It's quite impressive, that. So yeah, just want to say thank you to York Maze Hallwscream. So they open on Friday the 10th of October, and they're running quite a lot throughout the season. As I say, we don't quite know yet fully what attractions they've got, but in fact, let's have a quick jump on their website and let's have a look, and let's do a bit of promotion for them. So I'll turn the camera around. Right, so that's it. Let's put the parcel away, and I'm dropping everything out of it. So let's have a look. So as it said on the invite, the opening date is October the 10th, Friday, October the 10th. And the event is then open that weekend. Then from the Wednesday, the week after, to the 19th, then 21st to the 26th, and the 28th through to the 1st. So the actual lineup this year has not changed. So that's not really a problem, because I had Necropolis new in 2023. Redneck's Revenge was new last year. They've also still got Corny's Carnival, the Flesh Pot, and the Singularity. All of those are really, really strong mazes. Well, of course, you've also got all the food, the entertainment, the funfair rides, and the shows. Now, York Maze Hallwscream won the award this year for best entertainment around the park. We really enjoyed the way there was one main stage, but little side stages. So even if you're in the queue right round the back for Redneck's Revenge, you could still feel like you were part of the show. What we do understand for this year, there's going to be a new VIP seating area for the show. And those shows are worth catching, especially if the big ones with Little Dribble. But they're so diverse. There's some dance acts, there's some music acts, there's some fire acts. There's a lot going on there. So there you go. So as we say, Hallowscream opens on October the 10th. Looks like pretty large season for them. So with that, we're going to sign off. We're going to say thank you for our goodies. Look out for us. We'll be wearing the York Maze Hallowscream beanie at some point over Halloween. And with that, we're going to sign off, and we will see you all at an event real soon.